What does 5.9 million worth of house looks like here in Bacoor, Cavite that is flood-free and fault-line free? Hi, it's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabido. Join me as I tour you around in this premium house and lot located near Evia, Alabang and Airport, and for as low as 30,000 only per month. This unit comes with a complete finished turnover, so what you see in this house tour video except the furnitures and fixtures ay kasama na sa turnover. So of course, sa garage area, napakalaki niyan. If you're gonna get the corner lot and end lot unit, kayang-kaya ang 1 to 2 carport. Ito naman ang ating ground floor layout, open space, very spacious and well ventilated na may mataas na floor to ceiling height. At ito nga yung unit na literal na lilipatan mo na lang kasi even the kitchen cabinets sa bawat kwarto ay kasama na sa turnover. At kung makikita mo naman, napaka-premium ng finish natin, kaya naman wala ka na masyadong iisipin upon turnover. Here kay Kathleen Place 5, meron tayong ready for occupancy or RFO units at pre-selling units as well. Magaan lang ang down payment at magaan lang din ang monthly amortization na available through bank and in-house financing. Standard inner lot, may 106 square meters ka na floor area at may lot area ka na 60 square meters. Kaya naman gustong-gusto to, especially ng mga buyers ko working abroad kasi wala na silang iisipin at pagka-uwi nila ng Pilipinas, lilipatan na lang nila ang bahay nila. Isa pa nga sa nagustuhan ko kay Kathleen Place 5, napakataas ng floor to ceiling height natin. And here's the second floor, we have 3 spacious bedroom, 1 toilet and bath na fully tiled na din. Maganda rin ang ventilation ng bawat kwarto kasi may kanya-kanyang windows. Community-wise, panalong-panalo ka rin kay Kathleen kasi naman napakalapit ito sa mga major establishment essential for a growing family. 5 to 8 minutes away going to Evia, at 5 to 6 kilometers away going to SM Molino at Somo. Maliit at exclusive lang din ang community natin, kaya naman sure na secured ang family mo. At kung tatanungin mo naman, yes, ito na yung pinakamura natin sa Bacoor na maganda ang deliverable at community for as low as 5.9 million pesos only, 50,000 na ang reservation, 10% lang ang required down payment at pwede pa yung payable maximum of 18 months. Tapos may free appliances ka pa kaya halos balik lang din ang reservation. So paano? Tara, tripping na tayo. Link in bio or caller messages in our Viber, WhatsApp at IMO number. See you soon at paalam!